Hi, Jim. I'm here with my friend Rob Stoddard from BioAlberta. Rob, thanks very much for joining us here at Bio in Boston. Great to see you. And it was great to see such a large contingent at your reception last night. I'm so sorry about the outcome of the hockey game. So we're not going to talk about that. But it really is good to see so many people from Alberta here. And I'd appreciate you chatting about that and why BioAlberta's here.
Thanks, Jim, and it's a pleasure to be on with you. And we're excited to be here at Bio International. BioAlberta has led the Alberta delegation for at least 10 years, and the last couple of years. And this year, we're excited to have about 20 companies and organizations from Alberta here to present Alberta's technology and commercialization excellence and research excellence to the broader world. And we're here to discover research collaborations and partnerships. We're here to discover investor opportunities and licensing deals, and ultimately, hopefully, grow our clinical trials business. We're second in Canada in clinical trial activity, and we'd like to be first.
And thank you for that. John Lewis at Entos Pharma has kindly been a guest on the NGB Ideas podcast, and we're going to have you on hopefully sooner rather than later. He has also kindly agreed to be a guest on stage at the upcoming summit in Hamilton.
I feel I'm being put on the spot.
And I'm hoping you're going to introduce him. There's a lot of really cool stuff going on in Alberta. And for those who may not know, I'd appreciate you touching on that.
There is a lot going on in Alberta, and I'll give a shout out to John Lewis. And not only is he founded at Entos Pharmaceuticals, who's commercial and expanding, his second project is diagnostics, which is a prostate diagnostic, which is going live and selling in a number of Canadian provinces. So there's tremendous technologies coming out of Alberta. We have our traditional strengths around virology, diabetes, cardiovascular, neurology, but you're starting to see even more growth on the health tech, med tech side, as well as the analytics and diagnostics space. So all of these pieces are starting to come together in Alberta. Our startup ecosystem is turning into a scale-up ecosystem. So we're all working together in Alberta to try and determine what those scale-up pieces and what those scale-up companies need. And then our goal is to work with government and industry to make sure they create them so those companies can continue to grow and be successful.
Looking at this show, I would love to see something similar to this in Canada so we can gather under one roof for a sector agnostic event, and that's another discussion, but it's great to have you here. Thanks so much for coming by and sharing your time. I really appreciate it.
Well, and thanks for helping us tell the Alberta story. We really appreciate working with you, and we'll see you in October at that event with John Lewis.
Okay, thanks.